All right, we are here for some CCLI reporting activity, and you can do this once a month. You can do this once a week if you want. That's usually the easiest. It'll only take a few minutes if you do that. So as you can see, I have two tabs open here. I have our normal CCLI, which is our song select. You log in, and then your Planning Center account. So you click on Songs for Planning Center, and then you click on this little icon here, and you go down to CCLI Copy Activity. And what this is going to do is it's going to pull up all the songs that we've used in this range that we're going to put it in. So let's just say we're going to report on this past week. All right, so right now, let's see, it's the 23rd, so let's do the 16th through March 23rd. All right, generate report. And then it's going to pull up this report with all of our different activity. All these songs are being used sometime in this week at different services. Then we have our screen over here with our CCLI activity. And what we want to do is we want to go over here into reporting. And now it becomes pretty easy just to copy and paste. You'll see why we want to have both of them put up. So here's our search and report. So what we do over here is I double click, I copy this CCLI number, I bring it right over here and I paste it. You can use your keyboard shortcuts. And then what's going to come up is the song and all the different songs. So it's typically the first one that you'll see, but try to recognize whichever album we have the song linked to. And so then you're going to hit report, and now there's a few different things that we're going to report. We're going to report our digital. So digital means what is projected on the screen and how many times did you project that song on the screen. So if it's in Bethel, we projected it twice. All right, because we projected at the 9 and the 11. Print copy is basically how many original charts did you make for this song. So each chart that we use has one original chart that we use. So this is not how many photocopies, it's how many original charts have you made. So this number here typically matches this number here. All right, so we made one original chart. Recording and stream, you won't even use this if you're recording for the campuses, but if it's for Bethel, which we're doing this one for Bethel right now, we stream it 2 different times. So we streamed this song, All Hail King Jesus, at the 9, and then we streamed it again at the 11. Then we go down here to the master and multi-tracks recording, and this is, they say, how many licensed users actually got to listen to this song. So we estimate and we say in the campuses, we would put 4 people in the bands on average, or at Bethel, we put 8 because there are 8 people in the bands on average. So since we're using this for Bethel, I would put 8 here. And then the streaming number down here matches the streaming number here. So we used this song once, but we streamed it at the 9 and we streamed it at the 11. So now we hit the save button and that song's all reported. Let me show you real quick if there's another, oh, there's not one. Let's do one for a campus though here real quick. So, because the numbers are a little bit different. So here's Anchor. All right, so I grabbed the CCLI number. I'm gonna pop it right in here with my keyboard shortcuts. All right, so we have Anchor. This is the album that we use. So I'm gonna hit report. And we're reporting this for one of our campuses. So our campuses, how many times was it projected? Well, we only have one service, so 1. How many original copies did we use? That's 1 for each song. We did not record or stream, and we don't use translation. And then rehearsal licenses. How many people were on the team that got to listen to that song? 4. That's the number we used there. And then we did not stream it anywhere because it was a campus. And now you hit save. So that is all good. And now you just go through this whole list and you do the same thing, copying and pasting the CCLI number and plugging it in here. All right, I hope that was helpful. Make sure to give me a call or email me if you ever have any questions while you're going through this. Also, you can talk to the people at CCLI. If you ever look for their contact information on their website here, they are so nice and they are always so very helpful. So you can feel free to do that too. All right, thanks so much.